Best deals. 1. Casserole. Easy food release interior enamel, for quick simmering or slow cooking on medium-low heat, heats evenly with lasting heat retention. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Squeezer. This hand-pressed manual orange juicer is made of 304 stainless steel and is efficient for juicing citrus fruits like oranges, pomegranates, lemons, and limes. The ergonomic design with long handles allows easy pressing and minimal effort to extract juice. In addition to juicing citrus fruits, it can also extract juice from oranges, pomegranates and other soft fruits. The detachable parts make cleaning the juicer a breeze after use. With its compact and portable design, this manual juicer is perfect for small kitchens or travel. Featuring a comfortable, non-slip handle for a secure grip during operation. Crafted from high-quality 340 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Efficiently extracts juice from citrus fruits, orange, pomegranates, and other fruits with minimal effort through manual pressing mechanism. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Plates. Are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. They are food contact safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Fry pan. Crafted from premium cast iron, this multipurpose cookware retains heat evenly and cooks food uniformly, making it a must-have kitchen essential for daily cooking. Ideal for frying, sautéing, roasting, and gravies. Perfect for slow cooking and simmering. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cooker. It is pressure locked for safety, like a jetliner door. It has a superior pressure regulating system that controls pressure to a narrower, more efficient range, reduces sprouting of frothy foods and is easier to insert and remove. The safety valve is located under the lead handle bar so that when it operates the steam is safely deflected downwards. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Plates. Durable stainless steel plates ideal for snacks and daily kitchen use, plates with smooth finish, perfect for chutneys and small servings. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Infuser. Will help you drink your favorite fruit-infused detox brews in style. This travel bottle looks sleek, stylish and modern. This unique bottle helps you make your own style statement. This stylish-looking infuser bottle will get people around you talking. Sleek and stylish design of this bottle will get you a lot of attention. This bottle guarantees attention from your friends and colleagues. Unique design and finishing gives this bottle a premium look. This polar ice gel ball will keep your infused water cold for up to 25% longer. This infuser bottle comes with a unique time markings on the exterior, which can help you monitor your daily water intake. This bottle will help you drink more water and rejuvenate your body. This infuser bottle sipper lid has an innovative filter screen that blocks bitter seeds and fruit pulp when you drink. The design of this bottle is small enough to fit perfectly into your hand. Rubber grip on this infuser bottle ensures you will have a perfect hand grip. Carry this bottle easily for outdoor walks, sports or workouts with ease. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Organizer. Is perfect for storing grains, canned goods, salt and pepper grinders, or home kitchen accessories items racks such as lotions, makeup, nail polishes, face towels, cleansers, soaps, and much more. Keep your home environment clean and tidy. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Slow Juicer. Features a strong 240W motor that effortlessly handles everything from soft fruits to hard veggies. The 75mm wide feeding tube of juicer fits whole, reducing prep time for quick juicing. The large juice bowl allows for continuous juicing with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Libra cold press juicer for home. The included patented cleaning brush makes it easy to remove pulp and residue from the juice's components, ensuring your electric juicer for fruits and vegetables stays clean and ready for the next use. Made from spacecraft-grade Ultem plastic and Triton, our juice machine is built to last. All parts are 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your juice is safe and free from harmful chemicals. The stainless steel strainer adds to the durability and performance of juicer machine electric. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Grinder. This stone mill is handcrafted with love and care by skilled artisans, making each piece unique. Every detail, from stone selection to polishing, is meticulously done by hand. This handmade touch brings a personal, human element to your cooking and kitchen. This stone mill has a stainless steel handle for comfortable grinding and is made from durable granite stone for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Peeler. Easily peel precise strips of carrots, cucumber, zucchini and more. Compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip. Sharp, durable stainless steel blades won't rust, has a non-slip ergonomic handle, also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass jars. Made from high-quality, food-grade glass, these 2L jars are perfect for fermenting kanji and other probiotic-rich beverages while ensuring a safe and chemical-free fermentation process. The included airlocks help release gas buildup while keeping unwanted contaminants out, ensuring your kanji ferments naturally and without spoilage. Specially crafted kanji making mix contains the perfect blend of mustard seeds, salt, and natural prebiotics to enhance fermentation and improve the taste of your homemade kanji. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Electric chopper. Combines the power of 6 essential kitchen tools into one compact device. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. 7 specialized attachments for precision cooking. Get perfect results with a wide range of interchangeable blades and tools, including slicing disc, French fries blade, shredding, chopping blade, atta kneading, whisking and 1.4L processing bowl. Every attachment is engineered for accuracy and convenience, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. 2-speed control with pulse function for total flexibility. Take full control of your recipes with 2-speed settings and a pulse mode. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil extractor. This remarkable oil extraction machine, boasting a sleek brown aesthetic and a highly efficient 400-watt motor, represents a paradigm shift from passive consumerism to active, self-reliant food preparation. The machine is not merely a gadget, it is an intelligent, automated culinary system that brings the ancient, time-tested tradition of cold-pressed oil extraction into the modern, space-conscious home kitchen. By facilitating the pressing of over 21 different types of seeds and nuts, this device empowers households to produce fresh, virgin, and unadulterated oil on demand, ensuring that every drop consumed is packed with uncompromised nutritional value. For instance, cold pressing at around 60 degrees Celsius is perfect for seeds like flax, preserving the bulk of their nutritional profile, while slightly warmer pressing can be used for other seeds to draw out a richer, deeper flavor profile. This level of versatility ensures that the oil produced is far superior to anything found on supermarket shelves, providing maximum health benefits such as supporting cardiovascular health, reducing inflammation, and maintaining optimal metabolic function. The sheer technological sophistication of the SI-801 is what sets it apart as a premium home appliance, taking the guesswork and labor out of traditional oil extraction. Historically, pressing oil at home required cumbersome manual labor, specialized heavy machinery, or lengthy, tedious processes that were impractical for daily use. The SI 801 solves this through its intelligent, one-key operation system. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the machine features a smart voice prompt system that guides the operator through each stage of the extraction process, making it accessible even for older adults and children. Users simply need to plug the machine into a standard electrical outlet, select the desired temperature settings based on the type of seed, feed their raw materials into the hopper, and press start. From this point forward, the process is entirely autonomous. The intelligent system manages the heating elements and the powerful motor, seamlessly crushing, squeezing, and expelling the oil on one end and the dry, compressed seed cake, often used as nutrient-rich animal feed or fertilizer, on the other. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with an auto shut-off feature, which means it will automatically power down once the extraction is complete, offering peace of mind and preventing unnecessary energy consumption. Powered by a robust yet energy-efficient 400-watt motor, the machine is engineered to maximize output while minimizing power draw. For example, pressing up to 10 kilograms of raw seeds typically consumes only about 1 kilowatt-hour of electricity, meaning users can produce gallons of fresh oil over time without worrying about skyrocketing utility bills. This energy efficiency is paired with a highly effective pressing capacity, allowing the machine to process between 2 to 4 kilograms of raw material per hour, depending on the density and type of the seeds being used. Such capacity is ideal for domestic needs, allowing a family to produce a week's worth of fresh oil in a single, short session, or for small-scale artisanal businesses looking to cater to a niche market of health-conscious consumers. The low-noise operation further enhances the domestic experience, ensuring that the machine can run in the kitchen without causing disruptive disturbances to the peace and quiet of the household. Durability and hygiene are foundational to the industry's premium SI801, reflecting its premium classification. An oil press machine is subjected to considerable mechanical friction, continuous pressure, and fluctuating temperatures during the extraction process. To withstand these rigorous demands, the internal components, particularly the screw and the pressing barrel, are forged from food-grade 304-grade stainless steel. This specific grade of stainless steel is highly prized in the culinary and medical industries for its exceptional resistance to corrosion, rust, and chemical reactions with the acidic or alkaline components of various seeds. This ensures that the oil extracted remains completely pure, untainted by metallic flavors, and free from heavy metal contamination, which is a common concern with lower quality appliances. The outer enclosure of the machine is constructed from high-quality, durable ABS plastic, which not only provides a robust, impact-resistant shield but also contributes to the machine's polished, aesthetically pleasing brown finish. The brown color palette adds an elegant, modern touch to contemporary kitchens, blending seamlessly with both traditional and minimalist interior designs. Furthermore, the material is easy to wipe down, maintaining a spotless, laboratory-like standard of hygiene in the kitchen. Another significant advantage of the industry's premium SI801 is its hassle-free maintenance, which is a major selling point for busy professionals, homemakers, and culinary enthusiasts. Traditional oil expellers were notoriously difficult to clean, requiring arduous scrubbing of intricate parts where sticky seed residues would harden. The SI801 addresses this pain point through thoughtful design engineering, such as its flip-type cover for the pressing barrel. This design allows users to easily access the internal components, minimizing the effort required for post-use cleaning. To make the upkeep even more convenient, the manufacturer includes a comprehensive set of accessories with the machine, including a specialized cleaning brush, a socket wrench, and high-temperature safety gloves to protect the user's hands while handling hot components right after hot pressing. These thoughtful additions ensure that the machine's optimal performance is maintained over the years, preventing the buildup of gunk or rancid oil residues that could otherwise compromise the flavor and safety of future batches. By simplifying the assembly, disassembly, and cleaning processes, the SI-801 ensures that the prospect of making one's own oil remains an enjoyable ritual rather than a dreaded chore. Versatility is yet another area where the industry's premium SI-801 shines, transforming the device into a true kitchen workhorse. A commercial bottle of oil typically restricts the consumer to a single source, such as olive, canola, or sunflower, with blends often hiding cheaper, less desirable oils. With the SI-801, the culinary world is entirely opened up to the user. The machine is compatible with a vast array of oil-bearing seeds and nuts, facilitating a varied and diverse diet. Users can easily extract peanut oil for robust stir-fries, sesame oil for rich salad dressings, coconut oil for traditional curries and hair care, almond oil for delicate desserts, and mustard oil for its distinct, pungent flavor beloved in numerous regional cuisines. This adaptability means that households no longer need to purchase and store multiple bulky bottles of different oils. Instead, they can simply purchase the raw seeds and nuts as needed, ensuring ultimate freshness. Product link is given in the 14th link.